Okay, so the ECCOTEMP L5 input is, it comes with this little quick connect that you attach to the brass whatever input, and then what we use is we have just a tank under the hood, and then it has this quick connect, right? So, and we bought this line from a hardware store. It's just I think it's called reinforced whatever tubing. It's got a kink in it. Great. Anyway, so what you do is you just shove it on there, and that's locked, and then it works. But there are other ways. It comes in the box with a garden hose adapter that fits on this same fitting. And if you don't have, it doesn't come with it, but I'm 99% certain it does, that if you don't have that fitting, you can buy one from a hardware store. I think I went through a couple different iterations of how that works. So this is the input. You said output. This is the output for the shower head, which comes in the kit, and that's what this looks like, right? So anyway, and it's great. Everything works, but it's too high. The flow is too high. But what it does is you have to have a 12-volt water. You have to have a 12-volt pump, which is, we bought ours from the same company that sells the ECCOTEMP, which was ECCOTEMP. We have a pump, and it's a flow jet right there. I can get you the part number if you need it. Anyway, you have to run that through a 12-volt power supply, and we have a pump switch on our door that I installed, right, so that you power the pump, and then when you turn the flow on here, it automatically starts the pump, pressurizes the system, runs water, and then you can basically, run your shower head. And when you turn this off, the pump will sense that there's a pressure stop, and it will stop the pump. So it starts and stops whenever you want it to. And then you just turn off the pump to make sure that while you're traveling, nothing accidentally works. So that's how we set it up. I mounted it to the door with a piece of wood, bolts through, blah blah blah. Anyway, but what's just my way? I don't know if it's the right way or not. Hope that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.